Ever wonder why your Arlo doorbell's so quiet? You need to watch this if your notifications just stopped. Here's what to do. First, check your phone's settings. Make sure notifications are turned on for the Arlo app. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Notifications and find Arlo. On Android, it's under Apps, then Arlo, then Notifications. Make sure everything's switched to Allow. Next, open the Arlo app. Tap Settings, then Notifications. Double-check that doorbell alerts are enabled. If you use custom modes, make sure notifications are also turned on for those. Still not working? Try restarting your phone and the Arlo doorbell. Unplug the doorbell for a few seconds, then plug it back in. If you're still missing alerts, update your Arlo app and phone software. Sometimes a quick update is all you need. Last tip. Confirm your Wi-Fi is strong near your doorbell. Weak signals can mess with notifications. If all else fails, reinstall the Arlo app. Log back in and test it out. Now you should never miss a visitor again. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.